This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. I hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. So, looks like the market's been coming down here the last few minutes. We'll take a gander at that. Not much movement overnight, I don't think. Here, our high. We have 52.47 half, the low. 52.35, so about 12 points in range. NQ, looks like its entire range was that 1 hour candle right after Europe opened. 506 for the high. And 437 for the low, so only about 70 points there. Yeah, about 70. Copper's had a good day. Look at this. Something caused copper to run. It's back over 4. I don't think it's been at for a long time, actually. And it has a whopping about 180 ticks of range. Gold also having a good day, back up to 2169. It's only 7 points of range, though, but still moving to the upside. Ultra Bond not having a good day, falling, just below yesterday's lows. Just about a point. Hey, CVR. I see you're still in second place on Blue Sky. Oil running up. Looks like about 120 ticks. Natural gas coming down. Bitcoin. Wow. It's at 73. How high did it get? 73.7. So that's what we stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take. See this pullback here? Gold's pulling back. Everything's pulled back besides crude. I felt like 2 spots in that competition. We'll see if we can get that back today. Yeah, pulling back down. Breathe and recenter, CBR. You can do this. Yeah, didn't take that purple candle. It would have worked. Let's see, news today. And while we're there, we can check see if there's a reason we're falling. Morning, Crypticon. How are you doing today? So news today, there is nothing besides crude oil inventory. It's coming up at 10:30. Wow. How's the trading going, Crypt? Yeah, CBR is in second place in the blue sky. I'm in 20th. Bouncing back up a little bit. Getting back that last red candle. Hanging at 453. He's trying to get a little bounce here. Wow, look at gold. Huge push down, then huge push back up. Crude oil pulling back a little bit. Another purple candle here. Not interested right now. It's above my signal line. I feel like we've come down a bunch. We could be choppy today without any news, but maybe, maybe not. Seems like over in Europe's been moving decent. Well, actually, ew. Looking at that now, this is Europe, and look at that. From 4:25 Eastern to 5:25 Eastern for that whole hour. No, 2 hours. It's a 2 hour time frame, and it didn't really go anywhere. Yuck. Then it finally moved up, and then spent another half an hour in range before moving down. Hey, Borneo. TickTick at once was my stream sponsor. Um, that was about a year and a half ago. They are okay. They and I had a disagreement though, so that's why you haven't seen me promote them. But they're fine. AG man, good morning. Oh, no. No, I have not, Borneo. I didn't even know there was a signal. I've played with tick charts here and there, but I don't like them. But no, I don't know anything about tick signal. Ooh, gold really popping up there. And NQ coming back down. Breaking the 200 EMA there on the 5-minute chart. See how we get a clean break. You can see here, I talked about how it respects the larger EMAs on the 5. So you can see here during this chop how many times it tried to break the 200 EMA earlier. And it never could and decided to stop trying and went back up. So now we're getting another attempt at it. And again, back up. Blue candle bounce. Gold just rubber bands back up to a new daily high. Rubber bands come bouncing back to me. We're long. Stop is about 6 points. It's our ATR. About 5. Just looking for about 4 here up to the 20 EMA. I'm on. Boom. Wow. There we go. So it starts the morning off with a win, a 5-point win. So after commissions, we're up 471. You got in along a little bit earlier than I did, CBR. Good job. Morning Speed Racer. So I trusted my back testing there with that blue candle, especially seeing it bounce off that 200 EMA on the 5 and went for just a quick 5 points. Wow, right back down. Whoosh, back down. Low a day, 437 on NQ. We're hovering about 10 points above that. Hey, Rod. Hanging at 448. ES did that same move, up and down. It's at 52.40. Yeah, they all did it. Russell did it. Dow did it. Ooh, whoosh. Continuing down. Gold whooshing up. New high day. Trying to bounce again. Another blue candle. Nope, blue candle went away, so I did not take that. I do think it's coming up here, but just decided to stay out. Good morning to everyone. Thank you for joining me in this wonderful Wednesday. Right here, if you feel like you're going to enjoy today's stream, I appreciate if you would gore that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. And always feel free to say hello in the chat. Looks like still doesn't want to come back up. Gold and crude are happy. Not gold and crude, that'd be weird. But everything else looking sad. So does everybody remember what happened 4 years ago? I was reminded on the Discord. That would be the COVID crash. If you look back, the NQ fell 788 points that day. The next day recovered by 685, and then over the weekend, then the Monday fell 860 points, which I think might be the biggest fall for NQ of any day. And right now, it looks like NQ is trying to mimic that. Now we have another blue candle bounce. Kind of got lucky on that last one. Oh, nope, went away. Good morning, Mr. G. How are you? I'm not sure why my voice just cracked. So it's continuing to head down. CBR, did you get out? Oh, broke that 200 EMA. No longer respecting that. Still falling down there. 432 ES down to 40. That's 42 EF is down there. It would be really be a crash. 52.38. Russell's bouncing on, or well, touching. It's sniffing. It's 100 EMA. Oh, it's trying. Russell just broke its 100 EMA. Coming up on 8:30, but no 8:30 news today. Tomorrow we have PPI. Uh, I'm thinking long C as well CBR, but gold big pullback there. I had my cursor on the buy button enough that my hand had started cramping, so I had to release it. Well, continuing back down. Wow. Glad I did not hit that buy button. I think that is a purple candle, and I guess when it's this low, I just can't. When I do my back testing, candles at this low, when they're this low in the RSI values and all that, seem to fail more often than not. Now this one obviously is working. I could have got 5 points as it falls, but better safe than sorry. Well, now I got a long wick on that. Nope. Stotch Williams would be a great name. Like someone from old England. Good day, Scotch Williams. That was a terrible British accent. Sounded more Australian, actually. Eh? Maybe we're seeing the bounce here now. Oh, wow. A couple times now I thought we were going to bounce and right back down. NQ did break low day. Did it a while ago. Forgot to mention that. ES I don't think's there yet. ES is at ES low day is 35, so it's close. So all the way down now to 413. Another blue candle. I mean, maybe we're just going to go to 0, but I kind of like this as a bounce. Long. Let's see if it bites me. It's going to bite me. Ouch. Yep, stopped out. No, stopped out. It. Yep. So nope. Blue candle bounce didn't work there. Guess I shouldn't have tried to fight the trend. Trying to bounce again now. So eh, I think this might be the bottom, but I'm not going to try and jump back in. I did with my blue candle. That's my high percentage play. It didn't work. Well, actually, you know what? I just realized something. Let's watch where this goes, but I did not set my stop at the right spot. When I have a blue candle, I say I either set at the bottom of the blue candle, or if the wick of the previous red candle is lower, set it there. So look at that. If I had set it instead of at the bottom of the blue candle, if I had set that wick there, which was at 413, this came down to 413.75. If I had set my stop there, I would still be in this trade. I would be down 3 points now, but it's looking more positive. So I did not set my stop at the right spot, and right as of right now, that's cost me that trade. Hold on, I'm fighting on the Discord while EggQ decides it wants to stay at its lows. There we go. There's the bounce back up. So now it's back to where, well, my entry was 423. Party says jump in if it gets back above this 423 quarter. But we'll probably just stay out and wait for this chop to end. We are about 47 minutes till the bell. Nice move up. So it's back to where I entered. So I was right. It just decided to smack me first. Back up to the 20 EMA, pulls back. There's a nice blue candle. See where it ends up here. It's giving some back. Nope, stayed below the 20, and it was too much wick. We'll see what it does. Gold's having some interesting moves over there, and the Ultra Bond's finally popping up. If I had an Ultra Bond chart up, and I don't, I would take that trade down there. Another try with the blue candle. 11 minutes till the top of the hour. Nope, blue candle went away. End of the doji. Nope, still no. Rod, without publicly saying more than I should. Well, I guess that's technically public now anyway. Yes. Allegedly, yes. They were manipulating sim fills and trading each other's accounts. Allegedly. I'll put it that way. Pulls back down. So again, I mean, we had the very choppy pull up and then right back down to almost the lows. The low 12 sitting at 17. It just doesn't want to break up. Good morning, RJ. How are you feeling? Well, crude's happy this morning. Look at the run crude's on. Now, crude's market opens in about 8 minutes, and then it has inventories in an hour and a half or so. You're doing better with your screens? Pushing right back down. Might want to switch to micros for the first day back, RJ. Once again, welcome everybody. Glad to see everybody here today. Feel free to say hello in the chat. Feel free to gore that like button. Fighting to come back up here. Hello, DP. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Hello, Chris. I guess I should invite people to talk more often. Well, that's what we aim to help to do. A lot of good traders here. If you have any questions, always feel free. I am not a perfectly consistent trader yet. I still have my struggles. So you're going to see both wins and losses from me. But that's reality. Not like some other streamers that like try for $20,000 trades. Not that I wouldn't mind a $20,000 trade, but, you know. But there's definitely people that learn from here as well. How long have you been trading, DP? Nice. Are you using Euro money or are you going the prop firm route? Sorry, I interview new people, but always feel free to just ignore my questions. Okay. Yeah, what instrument are you? Oh, excellent. What instrument do you like to trade or instruments? Another purple candle here. We're just choppy at this point. It's staying out. Yeah, but what about for futures? What have you been playing with or trying, trading? Which instrument or instruments? Okay, micro. Now RJ's gonna say, and RJ's a much better trader than me, is much more experienced than me, that it's better to try and learn on the YM or the MYM because it moves more consistently than the NQ, which can be very whippy with more wild wicks. But sticking with the micro, you're not going to hurt yourself. I'm an NQ trader too, but I did start on ES kinda. Look at me, RJ, getting people to check out YM. Pray and hope. No, my strategy, I have. Uh, yeah, I mean, once you get used to how things move, there's nothing wrong with moving the NQ. It's just to start off with, uh, lesser crazy instrument is better. I mean, RJ trades NQ now, but he loved YM for a long time. He still loves YM, but he moved to NQ because of its the way it moves. My strategy. So my two basic strategies. If you can see my these purple and blue candles, they're engulfing candles. So coming down, I'm looking for these purple candles. So they appear after, whether it's a one candle pullback or a small pullback. So like here, this will have been an entry. This is my with trend strategy. Just keep taking these purples. I'm looking at the RSI, and when it's under the signal line and that purple candle, that's my my entry. Then I have a reversal strat, which didn't work here. Like this blue candle coming back up off the Bollinger Bands didn't work there, but like over here, I got a win on that same strategy for 5 points. Right there. So those are my two strategies. Is looking for the reversal and then going with the trend with the engulfing candles. Those are the two main ones. Top of the hour. See, now I'm getting a blue candle on the 1 minute chart, which is the top, the second from the left on the top. And Owings Trading. Hey, how you doing today? Nope. Okay, blue candle went away, so I'm not gonna take it. Got the open coming up less than half an hour now. We see we're rising up. Every now and then I'll take a trade like this, but see how it's come down, back up. This is where it topped, came down, couldn't go any further on the bottom. So it's looking like it's breaking to the upside. But right now, not yet. And I don't feel real confident about it, so I'm not going to look for entry there. So back up to 18,430. Again, our high of the overnight was 506. Our low now 412. So still less than 100-point range on NQ, which is kind of a smaller range. Yes, extended its No, I didn't. Oh wow, I didn't realize ES did not break its low overnight. 52.35 is its low, and 47 its high. So again, that's another smaller range. There, it's breaking up. So I could have taken that long there and got a nice quick win, but next. DP, be careful of that constantly trailing drawdown on the Apex account. Crypticon disappeared. CBR, are you still here? Are you hanging in there? No, gives you time to recenter your mind from that big loss, so you can recover. That way, you're thinking clearly and not trying to revenge trade. I did a little revenge trading yesterday after a couple losses, and after another loss, I convinced myself to walk away. Mm, right, I agree. But look at it this way, CVR. The competition account, while yeah, it'd be nice to win, it's not a funded account. It's not even an evaluation. It's if there's a time to take losses, that's the account to do it in. It feels better until you got to go on to Best Buy and order a new screen. How do you guys learn to trade? I mean, I learned through a patchwork of YouTube stuff. And then since I started MightyOxTrading and this, I've learned from a lot of different people, different things. This is a nice blue candle. And I'm still learning. And a lot of it's just screen time, spending time sim trading or buying cheap evaluations and learning that way. Mm. Are you new to trading, Gary? This candle could be a trap. But we're going to go long on it anyway. Yeah, definitely more cost effective. Um, Gary, I guess my question is: do you feel that you just haven't found an edge, or do you feel your issue is more on the psych side of trading? Like I know mine's on the psych side of trading. My issues. You see, we struggled to get about 435, so we need to see that break here. Nope. Yeah, and definitely listen to people like RJ. He's a professional trader. Granted, he's dealing with a bit of a head scramble right now, but no, he's a professional trader. Yeah, CVR, I agree. I think the only thing you did wrong, CVR, is maybe holding for as long as you did. Yeah. Well, Gary, if you recognize that, then you can fight that. You know, there we go. Target hit on number one, or for 4 contracts, still in on one. Moving my stop up to break even or tick above break even. Looks like it might be stopping here though, so we'll watch it. I already have $400 on this trade. Oh, it's fading. Yeah, we're out. So there we go. It was a good trade. $400 plus 55. So 455 on that trade. Hey Ace, good morning. Up there it goes. I should have stayed in. I could have. It still didn't go to 10 points, but still, I'm happy with that trade, guys. Back to green. So 2 for 3 on the morning. Unfortunately, my loss was. I mean, I'm green, but like the was a bigger loss than either of the 2 wins. So that was a mistake on my part. But Ace, he's agreed to maybe just trade a micro or two to start off with. So he's in concussion protocol. Yeah, and that is one of my issues, Owings. I do mess with my trades too much, but it's been better lately. I've been doing really well. Yesterday, I did tilt for a little bit on this Blue Sky account, which caused me to. I ended up going backwards by like $4,200 because I was up 2,700 and finished down 1,600. But I was able to center myself, and I moved to the Topstep account after I felt more stable, and ended up $986 on that yesterday. So yeah, and that's another thing. My loss, I do, and sometimes I'm a bit too conservative on my stops, where I should give it a little bit more room. And with NQ, you do kind of need to give it more room than like YM or ES. But so I got a blue candle there. Why didn't I take it? Well, I'm glad you asked. Not that you asked, but we're at this EMA, and it's already banged its head there once, twice. So didn't take it because I need to see a breakthrough. Yeah, learning how to lose is big important. Accepting that you have to lose. There's no one that's perfect in trading. So Gary, your original question was how does everyone learn to trade? And I know it's gonna sound self-serving, but hanging out here, not necessarily watching me, but talking to the people here. I've learned so much from people like G-Man and Ace and RJ, and it's not just dry all trader talk either. We've become friends. We've become a good group to just hang around. But I've learned so much about trading from these guys. So I think, and there's more. There's people that aren't here right now, Sid and JC, and there's so many good traders that it's just you can't help but gain some knowledge along the way, especially if you ask questions. Screen time is very important, yes. Do I have a video on my chart set up? I do not. Um, I've been kind of yeah. I've been kind of waiting until I get a couple payouts before I feel like I want to post something up that people. I don't want anyone to ever blindly follow me anyway, but you know that's why I haven't yet. Now this did pull back from that EMA, came down, now coming back up, trying to break it. We're about 12 minutes until the bell. Ace is looking for a long on ES. Looking for longs in all the wrong places. Oh, sorry. For the new people, I do occasionally just randomly break into song. It's just still struggling with this EMA. There you go, CBR. Slowly but surely. All we want to do is have some fun. And I got a feeling I'm not the only one. Hey, look at this. Look at how this is hanging on this EMA like laundry on the line. Green and red shirt, so the occasional blue shirt there. Hey Tio, you were early this morning. How you doing? That's my greatest hits, volume one. I saw you moved up a bunch of spots on the competition, Tio. Yeah, I moved back 2 spots after I went a little bit on tilt yesterday. Gold really choppy there. Crude's pulling back. Ultra bonds choppy. No news catalyst at all today, so chop might be on the menu. And everybody goes silent. Oh, bouncing back up after that pullback. Well, my guess is we're either going to go up or we're going to go down or possibly sideways. I try, for the most part, I try not to have a bias and just trade what I see. Uh, I mean, right now it looks like it wants to push down, but I mean, like I said, I try not to have a bias either direction. I find if I have a bias, I start seeing trades that aren't there, or forcing trades that because I expect them to work, and that gets me in trouble. Ooh, whippy. We've gotten whippy. Hey, Jabs, how you doing? Yeah, that happens way too often for me. In fact, I had that happen earlier. Morning, Burrow. How are you doing? So, yeah, taking a break after a loss is good. Let your head clear. Don't get Lyme disease, Ace. Pulling back. This is whippy. Whip it. Whip it good. Well, remember my two rules about, or two pieces of advice about sitting on your hands. Don't sit on them too long because you lose feeling, and don't fart. Excellent, Burrow. Tell your algo he's doing a good job. No, he wasn't. Yes, market has been wonky, and we have 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes. No news catalyst, so yeah, rollover week plus CPI. Choppy plus whippy. Choppy plus whippy equals wonky. 30 seconds till the bell. That bias to start off with is wrong, Ace. Whoosh! Back down to 411, new low a day on NQ. ES, whoosh, down 2 points. Russell, though, taking off. See if we bounce here. Oh, big bounce, though. I like big bounces, and I cannot lie. These other traders can't deny. Oh, bounce went away. Still dropping. Nice jabs. Well, you've doubled your profits now for the day, Ace. Wow, look at the Russell. Up 8 points. Whatever has the Russell so happy when everything else is so sad? There's the bounce. I considered a long there. Unfortunately, I didn't consider it long enough. Or considered it too long. That little green doji would have been an excellent signal for me. Yeah, crude oil is up. And they have inventories in an hour. Wow, 88,000 people. So there's the goal for MightyOxTrading. No, I'm kidding. Russell's up 10 points now. And here comes NQ back. Here comes the ES back. The market's like, there's Ace trying again. Bless his heart. NQ trying to drop back down. Gold up big. And the purple candle in NQ, but I'm not trusting it. Yeah, here we go, trying. Our high here on those previous two candles, 407.75, 407 even. Or 398 fighting to try and get back above 400, rejects. ES still coming down. Ouch, Ace. Sorry, man. Burl, you're on the wrong contract. You're in I believe you are on. Wait, did you mean 50? Wait. Yeah, you're on the old contract if got in at 51.78. That contract's not going to have a lot of volume on it. Let me check ESH to make sure I'm right. Yeah, you're on the old contract, bro. Excellent, CVR. You're probably still fine to be in that trade. It's going to move that way, but you should definitely roll as soon as you're out of that trade or roll tonight, whatever, because that contract expires on Friday. Dow dumping now. Russell's still going. NQ keeps trying to dip and failing. It's coming back up. So let's see here. Did we find a bottom? Yeah, trying to dip. Look at gold just running. Gold's up to 21.74. Have you ever seen gold run? I could AI make a gold run. Nah. Wow, Ace. Made me chuckle, Ace. I didn't expect it. So our low 382 on NQ. We're at 387. Nope, new low. There's your drop, Ace. Guess sometimes you need to use some salty language. All right, good luck, RJ. Still dropping. Dropping like it's hot. Dropping like it's hot. Dropping like it's hot. $377 is the low now, or it was for all the 10 seconds until I got that out. I think Ace finally got his 2 points. G-Man catching the bounce. Long on a blue candle. Let's see if I'm stupid. I'm stupid. Ouch. Maybe not. Wow, that just came close to stopping me out. That came really close to stopping me out by two ticks. Not looking good. Oh, that blue candle bounce did not work again. Second time today it didn't work. It hasn't stopped me out yet, but now it has. No. Got with a 1 tick there. It's teasing me. There it goes. Stopped with slippage too. Ouch. That's okay. Russell's pulling back. Gold's pulling back. That was probably a bad entry there. I mean, they work often, but that one didn't look like my normal good candle. Still heading down. Wow. That's a lot of heat for you, RJ. Still heading down, so that blue candle was totally wrong on my part. So at this point, we're just gonna kind of wait. $346 is our low. ES down to 52.33. Ace, are you still in? Actually, Ace might be out with the bus. I'm not even sure. Got beat down again there. They tried to pop up. And another new low a day. By the way, ES also made a new low a day. Whooshy whoosh. RJ looking for 331. Head still feeling okay, RJ? Ooh, bounce there. 335 down to 350. Hanging around 350 area. ES hanging around 52.33. Dropping like a rock. Uh, I'm showing uh I'm showing it pop back up to 59.50. So it did not get to your stop unless you're on micro and it's doing something different. Okay, yeah, so you still had a point of space. Looks like it might be coming for you now, though. No, still not. Well, maybe. Still not quite there. T's in here. Still teasing. Hanging at 350. Purple candle there. But I'm really not trusting purples. I feel like it wants to go up, but I'm so. And yeah, I'm not. It's just the values are too low. But there's the drop. There's another bounce. Back up to 350. Blue candle. Big blue candle. 356. Now you're out there, Jay. Oh, are you okay there, Ace? And did you get out of that trade, Ace? Or are you still in, or what are you doing there? Oh, wow. So we got back up to 360 something there, 362, and then right back down to the 340s. It's a long trade for you, RJ, correct? Ace, have you gotten your Mighty Ox Trading hoodie yet? Oh wow. Quick front coming in, huh? What's wrong with it? So Ace, you're the first person to get Mighty Ox Trading merchandise. So they're wondering, how it came out. I ordered a mug, but it's on back. I have yeah, my mug's on back order. Back down to 338. Yeah, CBR. They said there's a problem. The glossy mugs are delayed. So I'm also thinking about switching to a different place that has better shipping rates. That's awesome, Ace. I wondered what the quality was going to be like. Yeah, I'm trying out the design on a different mug at a different place. Be a white mug, but with the black background and the logo. Oh, excellent. You there you go, RJ. There's your 331. Great call. Down to 327. So you haven't lost your mojo. Wow. Look at this drop down. Drop it down low, make the rooster crow. So I ordered myself a hat from the new place, testing out uh the new place. In all seriousness, Ace, I'm glad that the quality on that is awesome. I was worried, but I mean, I've heard good things about these places, like that big YouTubers use them, but you know it's not like I can order a sample of everything because it costs me money. But yeah, that's awesome. I'll put that testimonial on the page somewhere. Wow, just dead drop here. Oh wow, Ace, aren't you? So you're up. I forget where you said you were in at. Well, CBR, I think it'll probably stop before it gets to 0. I think weren't you at like 10 points a minute ago, Ace? Oh, there you go. I didn't expect this sell off. Not to this extent. Bouncing here, maybe. Pushing back down. Another possible fake out on a bounce. We shall see. There's popping back up. There we go. Nice move up. So long on a different account here. This is my funded futures account. I have no target in place because I forgot to put a ATM in, and like I can't figure out how to put a target in. RJ, this week my average has been under a minute. The other day when I was up about I was up $2,900 on the competition account. My average trade time was 22 seconds. But that thing down below that I don't understand at all is Bookmap. It's psychedelic. Yeah, I'll put that poll up tomorrow. So we're up 15 points here. Struggling about 334-ish. I need to get rid of that thing down below. It's like freaking me out. Okay, awesome. Yeah, I've used it before. Just it's been a while since I've been and I thought I could just right click, but For now, I'm just managing the trade manually and hope it doesn't spike on me. I should have practiced more. Okay, we're out there. Oops, forgot about order confirmation. Oh, maybe we're not out there. So the order confirmation kept me in, and now we're out. So that was a nice win there. This is Fund X. It's a white label version from Quant Tower on Funded Futures Network, and I do like it. I don't. I got to get rid of this flashing thing down here. The Dom surface. Ooh, looks like I got out the right spot, but it's nice, and there's some nice features to it. Biggest feature that I like that I'm not using yet because it costs extra is that you can copy trade multiple evaluations with it from multiple companies. So once I have multiple funded accounts, I'll probably utilize that. Back, you see coming back down. So we got back up to 339. I need to practice with that platform a little more. Sorry about that, Ace. Yeah, I'll get rid of that for the next time I show that. I wasn't expecting to take it to show that, but I wanted to get a trade in on that because yeah, right now I have 5 accounts from 5 companies, and I'm trying to trade them all fairly. Well, I believe that doesn't. I believe the reason that thing down below is doing that is because I only have top of book data. I think it looks better if it's not moving. I'm not sure. It's some sort of book map type thing. So pull back there and now heading up. So that was a great trade on Funded Futures Network, the newest prop that we brought into the MightyOxTrading family. They have a buy one get one free sale right now, plus 35% off. Ooh, RJ, I just thought about that. I hope, in all seriousness, looking at my screen didn't cause you any issues with that indicator down there. Didn't think about your concussion issues when that was showing. Since that really has no use to me, I can close out that module next time I bring it up. uh, Again, reading the market pretty well. Even if I'm down, I tried a couple of times to take a long where I probably shouldn't have on the competition account. Or if you slip and fall and get eaten by a bear, you never know when your last run in the snow will be overall. I'm I'm sorry, RJ. Didn't think about it. Wow, I'm just harming RJ in all types of ways. Big blue candle. Ouch. I don't like big blue candles. Yep, there's the rip. Rip it. Rip it good. So we're long. Blue Sky competition account where I trade 5 contracts at once. Scare the bejesus out of myself. Ouch. Back down to my entry. Ouch. And I don't know what hoodies normally cost because I don't wear a hoodie, but I think they're pretty reasonably priced too. So getting in late here is going to cost me, I think. I was going for 10 points. So let's see, maybe not, but this candle opened at 48 and it went to 58. I could have got 10 if I got in right away. I got in 2 points late, and that cost me getting 10 points there, and now I'm going to get stopped. It's close to my stop. Yep, that sucked. Yeah, I have a hoodie. I have a hoodie. I got shirts. I got mugs. I got like 20 different items. Uh, I don't know why the store isn't showing at the bottom of the stream. It does on non-live accounts. By the way, I got stopped out and it reversed on me. But here, real quickly, since I'm not in a trade and I don't want this, give me a second. What did I just do? There. What the heck? Sorry, guys. Just hit the wrong thing. This is the selection we have right now. 2 different kinds of teas, mouse pad, travel mug, two different kinds of travel mugs, a notebook, stickers, magnets, sweatshirt, hoodie, tote bag, toddler shirt, hat, trend is your friend mouse pad, a pillow. I don't know why I did the pillow. No one wants a MightyOxTrading pillow. And neck gaiter. Link to the store. So we came down 1 candle, 2 candles really, from that purple, and now we're trying to head back up. So my regret on that trade was taking the full stop. I should have moved my stop to break even and just did that, but I will continue to expand offerings in the store as long as I see that there's actually people that are interested in it. Well, the hoodies are definitely shipping faster than the mugs because I ordered, me and CBR both ordered the mugs before Ace ordered his hoodie, and they're not even. You know that toddler shirt's not going to fit you, right, RJ? See, we're trying to come back up. I mean, I still think I was right that it wanted to come up, but decided to pull back first. Hey, I could do men's underwear and sports bras. There are Christmas ornaments that I can do. I haven't seen pens, and that's actually kind of interesting. That's a surprise. A surprise that there isn't. See the big blue candle there on the 5 minute, indicating it wants to come up, but I'm looking for signals on the 1 minute. So it reached a high of 358 over here before it decided to reverse against me. We're back up to 354. They have like 344 different items I could put my logo on. And the other place has like 800 different items. It just takes some time to add the designs. CBR, I believe that's correct. I know it's you get a no CBR. I believe it's a funded account, not Eval, but funded account. I can do towels, RJ. I can do a shower curtain. Ooh, big drop. So I did not get it back above. Yeah, CBR. I believe that's correct. But I can look to make sure. Uh, yeah, all top five places win an instant blue live plan of their choice. So yeah, it's a funded account, CBR. Gold setting up. Yeah, that was a great call. But if you thought I was kidding, if you thought I was kidding, there's the Mighty Ox Trading shower curtain. Now I haven't actually made that. I was just curious what it would look like. Back up. Russell's heading back up. Still think we're going up. It's just being a jerk about it. uh, uh, so, so that's a no to the Mighty Ox Trading toilet paper as well. There is blankets. Oh, do you need a Mighty Ox Trading apron, Ace? Ace is going to start needing 3 points a day to buy all the Mighty Ox Trading merchandise. Pulls back. Guys, okay, Pop, do you want to eat or do you want a Mighty Ox Trading hoodie? So it just says it wants to go up, but this signal is down for me. I don't think I'm going to take it, though. Signal went away anyway. Waiting for our next trade. There it goes. They're trying to move up. If it getting back above this 354 area, I might be interested in a long. I knew what you meant. Ace. Sports bras. I haven't seen lingerie at any of the various options. Men's underwear. We got that. And yes, I did make a mock-up of that. Just curious to see how it looked. By the way, reminder. Uh, Blue Sky today is having a free question and answer with Jared Tendler um, on their YouTube channel. Jared is the author of The Mental Game of Trading. That'll be at 12 Eastern time on their YouTube channel. I'll grab that link here if you're interested. If anyone's interested in that. Blue candle on the 5. I don't know. It's a very good selling book, and he's considered one of the tops in his field. There's a move up. Still can't get above that 50 area though. There it goes. Eh. He came from the world of poker. And now into trading. He's 45 years old, and we are in Chop City, USA. Oh, as I say there, you get a nice blue candle. Still not breaking above that 54 area that I'm looking for. Crude oil inventories didn't really do well. Popped up a little. Well, popped up about 30 ticks, giving it all back. See how far we got up since the start of the stream. Whoosh. There's a move up. Maybe. 354 seems to be a wall. And the wall comes tumbling down near the wall. Long on a momentum breakout, which is not part of my strategy, but hey, what the heck. There, boom. Go. Come on, continue. So I got in at where? 57. My name is, My name is who? Boom. Target hit. $1,000 winner. Wow, went one tick more than my target. So 10-point winner. It went exactly one tick more. So that's the market apologizing to me for earlier. And my audience dropped like crazy. Excellent trade golf, and welcome. Nice seeing you. Haven't seen you in a while. Yeah, it's funny because I originally said I can't imagine ever doing merch, and here I am doing merch. Big pullback gives back that candle right away. I forgot you like to trade the Russell. Hey, yeah, my other Russell trader disappeared. Wonder what happened to him. Darned if I can remember his name right now, but oh, okay. Oh, okay. I got you. Bounce back down to that 30 area. RJ says is now support. Ooh, bounced right down to 32. Wow, what goes up must come down. And what goes down must bounce up. Yeah. RJ called 331 earlier this morning, and it looked like it wasn't going to get there, and then whoosh down, blew through it, and now he's been calling it as a support area, and he's been very right. Excellent. I hate heat. Whooshing back down. We've gotten some extra volatility here. $120. So golf, you think it's going to drop another 200 points? Uh, golf, are you still in the March contract? You should have rolled to June. That contract, yeah, okay. I quickly looked to see if that's where the March contract was. Remember that contract expires on Friday, so you're gonna want to roll tomorrow at the latest. Oh yeah, I mean, I wasn't, I didn't want to see you get shut out if you didn't. So, like some people forget about rolling because not every platform reminds you. So I just wanted to make sure. There's a burst up. Up to 64 now. What's the link to this new prop firm? I want to check it out. Do you talk about precision? Uh, Bro, I'm gonna post it in the Discord under our admin area because I don't want like everyone going to it right now and being enticed by their 90% sale. If that's cool. Nice job, golf. So we got back up to 375. VWAP sitting at 390. I posted in Discord and tagged you, John. What a bit of a pullback. It easily blew through that 20 or EMA, 100 EMA, pulling right back. Ooh, sorry, did not mean to hit the mic. Yep, good call there, golf. Coming back down. So we hit a high of 384, pulling down to 362. We have about 12 minutes to go in the stream. We're down on the Blue Sky competition account. We're up on the Funded Futures Network account. I never did get the exact amount I got on that trade. Give me a second. $280 on that Funded Futures Network trade. So here's a trade that I did miss, kind of missed. This purple candle is a signal for me to go short. Now, why didn't I take it? Because of the CMA. But you can see it worked perfectly. It was beautiful, beautiful. Excuse me for 1 second. Burrow, I mean, I tend to agree with you. You know, especially I don't recommend ever trading with a new firm until they've proven themselves. But in the same token, I'm sure when like Apex and Bulenox and those started launching, there are people that said the same thing. You know, no reason to switch from Topstep and Earn to Trade and all those that were around back then. And that all those firms proved to be not only quality firms but gave good prices, etc. So you got to be open to the change in the industry. By the end of this year, I predict there's going to be at least a half dozen more firms from the forex industry. Purple candle there coming down because for a bunch of forex props are getting into futures or plan to. So we're probably going to have 20 main firms by the end of the year. And that's not accounting these new pop-up ones that are doing 90% sales as soon as they pop up, which looks very suspicious. Yeah, went down like 7 points and then bounced. Yeah, there is. There's going to be a rug pull here somewhere with one of these new firms, and it's going to cause issues. We already have the Lilu issues, which is from an established firm. So, yeah, there is. Now, the other thing is, I mean, while there's new firms popping up, there's also starting to be an influx of people that are leaving Forex and coming to futures. So, there is that. First purple candle would have been good. We're going to try the second purple candle here. Stops at the top of that last that purple. See if it continues to go. The low of day was 302. We're sitting at 321, which is below that battleground at 331. Tried to push down. There we go. Go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Back up to my entry. It bounced. So missed my target there by like a couple points. Trying to fight its way back down now. Right back. So it got down to 14. My target is at 1275. And now I'm red. Crude just dumped down. Out. It didn't take too much of a loss there. It was a little loss, but that was a blue candle. So technically I should have hit reverse because this was actually a trigger back up. But you can see that's going to 10. So Just didn't give me 10 there, and I should have tried to get out break even. So we've reached the top of the hour. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. It's been a fun day. We talked about merch. We've had some good trades. We had some bad trades. We laughed. We cried. We'll be back tonight. I haven't said that all stream that we have an evening stream tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern. I'm glad you're back to RJ. I'm glad you're feeling better. Great trading, great calling today. Anyway, I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be back tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern, or tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern. Have a great rest of your day. We'll see you then. Bye. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.